Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and in today's crochet stitch tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do crochet blocks. This is a very simple, easy pattern. It's a multiple of 4 plus 5 chains, and it is essentially after your first setup row, it will be a 2-row repeat. So quick and easy. Don't even have to think about it too much. So we're going to get started. So our multiple is 4 plus 5 chains. Got some yarn and a size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and gonna make a slip knot. Whatever yarn and crochet hook you use is perfectly fine, as well as however you do your slip knot. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Our nice little chain right here. And row 1, we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And that first chains will count as a double crochet. So we're going to double crochet, wrap our yarn over. I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go into the 4th one with a double crochet, and I'm going to double crochet in the next chain, I'm going to chain 1, skip the next chain, and we're going to double crochet in the next 3 chains. I'm going to skip this one, I'm going to go into the one next to it, and in the next 2 chains, I'm going to chain 1, skip the next chain, and double crochet in the last 3 chains of our row. I'm going to skip it and go into this one. And this is what row 1 is looking like right now. Got a nice little 3 double crochet block. Now we're going to do row 2, which we're going to chain 4 and turn our work to get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn our work. This counts as a double crochet and chain 1. So we're going to skip this first double crochet right here. We're going to double crochet in the next double crochet. We're going to double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And double crochet into the next double crochet. From here, we're going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet in the next one, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, and double crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 1, skip this next double crochet, and we're going to double crochet into the top of this chain 3, which is sometimes not easy. And there we go. Here's row 2. And we're going to get ready for row 3. Going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to turn our work. I'm going to double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And then we're going to double crochet in the next double crochet. And we're going to chain 1. Skip this double crochet in the next one. Double crochet in the chain 1 space. And double crochet in the next double crochet. And chain 1. Skip this next double crochet in the next double crochet. Now here's where you might get confused. And it's like, but there's not a third one here. Actually there is. Remember, on row 2 we chained 4, which makes a double crochet and a chain 1 space. So we're going to double crochet into the chain 1 space. And we're going to double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Oh, missed it. Just be patient with yourself. Let's try it again. And there we go. And to keep going with this pattern, you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3. So we're going to go through and do that again. For row 2, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work. We're going to skip this next double crochet into this double crochet, the chain 1 space, and the double crochet after it. I'm going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1 space, and the following double crochet. We're going to chain 1 and double crochet in the top of this chain 3. Row 3, we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, turn our work. I'm going to double crochet in the next chain 1 space and in the next double crochet. Now chain 1, skip the next double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1 space, and the following double crochet. Going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet in the next double crochet in the chain 1 space, and then we're going to double crochet in the top of the chain 3. And there we have it. Nice little blocky stitch pattern right there. And that is all for this tutorial. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord. The link to that is in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.